Hi guys, let's review Huawei Honor AX Max smartphone. They are global version smartphone. They support multi-language menus and all Google applications, include Google Play Store. I make a video only for my company B2B business. My company supports small order and small business also. We accept sample order from 1 pieces. We can make it global send then. And let's continue to review Honor AX Max global version smartphone. It have 3 colors: red color, blue color, and black color. Now here are 2 colors: blue color, blue color. And this one is black color. Here's the color box. AX Max. Okay, it is a 7.12-inch IPS LCD display, 18.7 to 9 radio, 350 ppi density. Resolution is 2244 pixels by 1080 pixels. Its operating system is Google Android 8.1 Oreo operating system. CPU is Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 octa-core 1.8 GHz. Supports micro SD card up to 256 GB by micro SD card. It supports dual nano SIM card and 1 micro SD card. It have 3 cameras. Selfie front camera is 8 megapixel, f2.0 aperture. And its main camera are dual cameras, 16 megapixel, f2.0 aperture, and 2 megapixel. Supports dual LED flashlight. Let's test its camera. We can see the details is super clearly. All Google applications. And its battery built-in is 5000 mAh battery built-in. Supports 9V 2A 18W fast battery charging. And here is what fingerprint sensor. It supports micro USB port, FM radio, GPS, AGPS, GLONASS, BTS, Bluetooth 4.2 version. The phone have black color, blue color, and red color. About the phone. Here are all the language menus it supports. Its memory have 64GB long, 4GB RAM, 64GB long, and 6GB RAM, or 4GB RAM, 128GB long. Its CPU, memory, operating system. Here are all the sensors it supports. Voltage drop display. Let's continue to check what included in the color box. Here is the color box. Welcome one piece image sticker, one piece micro USB cable, one piece 9 volt 2 ampere fast charger. We will send one piece Euro converter to get it free. One piece eject pen. One piece silicon case. Good quality silicon case. One piece manual. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please like us in Facebook and Instagram pages.